Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Synthetic Goddess. On this YouTube channel, I teach strategies to become a profitable trader, even if you're a beginner. So if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop any video. And if you're an existing viewer, you're welcome back to my video. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to use an indicator to confirm your entry confirmation. Okay, I'm going to be using the indicator. It's one of the indicator you're going to really need when you are trading the financial markets. You can use it anytime on the volatility indices. Also, you can use it on currency pair. You can use it on any financial markets because it guides you when it comes to entry confirmation. It helps you to be able to organize your mind and how to. It gives you extra confirmation. Yes, it gives you extra confluence. And that is why I am just going to be giving you a brief explanation on how to use the indicator. And the name of the indicator is momentum. The name of the indicator is momentum. So I'm going to be adding it and I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use it to add it to your extra confluence. So if you would love to join my Telegram channel, check the description box so that you can get a link to the Telegram channel where we share directional bias, where we share analysis, where we correct each other analysis, where we just talk about synthetic indices. So you can check the description box so that you can get a link to the channel. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm going to be teaching you the indicator you need to add to your trading, to add to your confluences. So, and I said the name of the indicator is momentum. So let's just add it. Let's go add a momentum indicator. You click on the F, and then you'll search for your momentum. So I'm just going to be adding momentum, and then I'm going to be leaving it at default. I can decide to change the color, I can decide to change the pixel, I can decide to just change the color to any color I will be able to like, and then I can decide to change the pixel to know how thick, or to be able to see how thick it can be or how little I want it to be. You can do anything to your chat, so just follow everything I'm saying. So I'm just going to leave it at default here. Also make sure your time frames is to all. Make sure it is adding the time frame to all. So you just click on done, and then you go back to your chart, and then it's going to show itself on the chart. As you can see, this is it on the chart. You can see the momentum on the chart. So how do you use momentum in confirming, or how do you use momentum to know your entry confirmation? Yeah, whenever you want to use this momentum, ensure that you've analyzed your trade very well, and then you're only using it in your entry confirmation. Don't use it independently. Don't use it alone. If not, you are going to really fail woefully, and then you feel the indicator is not working. I'm going to link my market structure video in this video. I'm going to link it in the description box so that you can check my market structure. You can check all other things you need, the essential things you need in analyzing the market, so that you don't just come here to use your indicator alone and then that's it. So whenever you want to use this indicator, ensure you've analyzed your trade. So basically this trade is to the downside, and then I'm just going to be using the 1 hour. I'm not going to be taking my trade from weekly time frame, so I'm just going to be using the 1 hour time frame. And here you can see we had basically we've been trading to the downside, and we had our last break of structure here. And where is our protected high? This is our protected high that we are not expecting the market to take. Here is our protected high. This is the protected high. And where is the area we are expecting the market to come back? You can see we had a liquidity void here. we had an imbalance here. There was imbalance here. The market did not go back into the SC candle to fill it up. So I'm going to drop my entry PO high video also in the description box. So if you would love to watch it, you can also check it out. So I'm just going to be marking this. This is my SC candle because I have my imbalance here. The market did not come back to fill it up. The market just gave us unsupported high. So I'm just going to be marking this out. Immediately we broke this high. Immediately this high was broken. This is an intent that the market is coming to my SC candle. So when the market got to the SC candle, what is the next thing that you want to do? Now basically you might not see it so much on this weekly on this 1 hour time frame. Just go to your 5 minutes time frame when you are getting your entry confirmation. Also, I will link my video on entry confirmation here. So if you are new, you can also get to see all of this so that you don't get confused at the end of the day. Please, you can check them out so that you don't get confused about what I am saying. So the entry confirmation, remember I told you when the market is getting towards your PO high, you are watching the market move slowly into it, and aside from moving slowly, you are watching it break a little structure. Sometimes the market could just break a structure, and then that will be an inducement at PO high, basically because the PO high is too strong for the market to break, and then it's just going to give you an inducement, then come back to break that PO high again. So you have to be very, very careful. That's why you need this indicator to be able to confirm what the market is saying. And checking this indicator, you can see these are liquidity builds. All these are actually liquidity on the momentum. But I'm not going to be teaching that so that you don't get confused. I'm just going to be teaching you the divergence part of it, how to check out for the divergence part of it. So you just go to your 5 minutes time frame since you've marked out your PO high and the market is approaching your PO high. So what do you watch out on this particular move? Now you can see this market is giving us series of higher highs, higher lows, series of higher highs, higher lows over here. While going towards the PO high, it has been giving us series of higher highs and higher lows. But basically, what is this indicator giving us? That is the thing you should watch out now. What is this indicator giving us? You can see we started the, let's just check this place. Okay, now checking what this particular indicator is giving to us. Let me increase it a little so that you can see what I am saying. What this indicator is giving to us is lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and this is towards your POI. Now this is an extra confirmation for you that the momentum is declining. I mean, the momentum is giving us a slow movement. It is giving us an opposite movement. Yes, it is giving us an opposite movement to what the chart is giving us, and that should indicate to you that the momentum of this market is about to change. You are going to really see it clearly on momentum. Now you can use other indicators for it, but on momentum I discovered you will be able to see it more clear. I mean, it's going to be very, very clear on the momentum, unlike RSI. I think I have made a video on RSI divergence before, but on this momentum you're going to see it clearly, like the name sounds, momentum, like the market is losing momentum. The market is losing momentum when it was getting to the PO high section. Now we had little break of structure here. Like our entry confirmation that we are always talking about. We had little break of structure here, and since market has been giving you all of this, okay, this is it. We had this here. We had that break of structure there. We had little break of structure there. Now, this is where you are going to enter the market. This is where you're supposed to enter the market, because the momentum has given you extra confirmation that this movement this break of structure is not an inducement, it is not a liquidity take, because a lot of people will be waiting for it to come back here and they will take a buy to the upside. Now this is going to confirm to you that we are in a downtrend already. See what the market is giving us. The market was declining to the downside, the market was not moving up, the market declined to the downside. You can see the movement is very, very obvious that the market was moving to the downside right from this place. That is when you're going to know that the market is giving us series of lower highs, lower lows. You can see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. While on this chart we've been having series of higher highs, higher lows, and on the momentum we are having a good decline. We're having good decline on the momentum. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But on this particular momentum indicator, lower highs, lower lows, you can see we had the break of this low, we came back, we could not break this high. This is so simple that you can use it as a good confluence for yourself. It really, really works. You can use it as a good confluence. If you like adding indicators to your chart, or you need something to confirm your entry, or you need something as an extra confluence, this is a perfect indicator that you can use instead of just fixing up your chart with different indicators and then you are not even knowing what you're doing. This is a very simple indicator that you will just use in checking the decline of the market, to check the decline of the momentum in the market. You can see it was giving a series of higher highs, higher lows here, but on the momentum it was giving us a series of lower highs, lower lows, meaning the market is about to change the movement. Also, if you check this this particular move also, when the market wanted to change trend, this particular move, you can see the market gave us series of higher lows. Yes, it gave us series of higher lows. You can see this, but on the chart the market gave us series of lower lows. See the lower lows on the chart, lower lows. But on this momentum we were having higher lows. If you are a trend line person, this is very, very clean, this is very, very pure. Immediately the market broke that high, you know what to do, and then you are waiting for the market to get to your PO high, and then you just check out for yourself again. And that is how you move with the market. You move with the flow of the market, you move with your entry confirmation, and that is all. Instead of fixing your chart with different indicators that is not even working for you, you don't even know what you're doing with the indicators. This is a perfect indicator for you to use if you are thinking of any other thing that can give you extra confluence, that can give you any other thing. This is a perfect indicator for you to use. Momentum, like, it's really going to help you. It's going to help you guys, and I feel you've learned one or two things from this particular video. Please give me a comment if you understand everything I have said. If you have any question, give me a comment, just drop a comment in the section. It's going to go a long way, guys. And also like this video. Thank you so very much for stopping by at my video. Take care of yourself, guys, and have a lovely trading week ahead. Keep living in the atmosphere of profits. See you in the next video, guys.